learn how to use our new dishwasher?
But have you been nervous to do something wrong?
Don't know what to do when? But want to help out in the kitchen?
And have you tried watching tutorial videos online but find them so boring?
Then boy, do we have a treat for you.
It's your very own
Dishwasher tutorial! Step 1, setup!
First, make sure that the drain is closed by pushing down this lever.
Then second, close this almost all the way. Put it on, and then autofill. Load your dishes onto the trays and make sure all the food is rinsed and washed off.
Soak the silverware to 5 to 10 minutes in a tub.
Place the drinking cups on the flat tray and sandwich it with a second so they don't bounce around. Step 3! Run a cycle! Slide the tray into the dishwasher and close the door before the detergent and rinse agent are automatically dispersed for each cycle.
Cycles take about 1 minute and you'll know the cycle is done when this light turns off.
Once the dishes are done, open up the dishwasher and pull the dishes to the clean side.
Step 4! Dry and put away dishes!
Ideally, dishes should air dry, and it will do so quickly because they are hot.
Remember to put the dishes back where you found them. And also remember that if you don't know where it goes, the cupboards are labeled.
Step 5! Clean up!
When you're done with the dishwasher, make sure to turn it off.
Make sure to clean out the filters in the dishwasher box.
Clean out the filter below the dishwasher.
Place all trays under the short counter. Wipe down the countertops like you love the place.
Leave the door open so the dishwasher can dry out.
When you're done, make sure to open the drain and pull up this lever and you'll hear it.